Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. Today I'm going to share with you a very special skincare remedy, an anti-aging and skin tightening face mask with flaxseed. Now, we all want to keep our skin looking youthful, glowing, and firm, but with stress, pollution, and, of course, aging, fine lines and sagging skin start to appear. Instead of running to expensive treatments, I truly believe in using natural remedies that are safe, effective, and give long-lasting results. And this one is one of my favorites. So, stay with me till the end of this video because not only will I show you how to make this mask, but I'll also explain the benefits of each ingredient so you know exactly what you're applying on your skin. Flax seeds are honestly a miracle for the skin. They're rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are amazing for boosting collagen production. Collagen is what keeps our skin firm and elastic, and as we age, our collagen levels drop. Flax seeds help fight that natural aging process. So, take some flax seeds and put them in a blender. Grind them well until you get a fine powder. This is what we'll be using as the base for our mask. Now, in a clean bowl, add 2 teaspoons of flaxseed powder. The next ingredient we're adding is 2 teaspoons of aloe vera gel. Aloe vera is something I can't live without. It's cooling, soothing, and extremely hydrating for the skin. If you have sun damage, dryness, or dullness, aloe vera works beautifully. It also repairs damaged cell cells and gives your face that smooth, lifted look. So don't skip this one. Next, we are going to add 1 tablespoon of honey. Honey is such a wonderful natural ingredient. It's packed with antioxidants, which fight free radicals and slow down aging. Plus, it's a natural humectant, meaning it locks in moisture and makes your skin look plump and radiant. So, just add the honey into the ball and look at how beautiful this mixture is already turning out. Now comes the luxurious part, the oils. I'm adding half a teaspoon of argan oil. Argan oil is often called liquid gold because it is so rich in vitamin E and fatty acids. It deeply nourishes the skin, keeps it soft, and reduces fine lines. Next, I'm adding half a teaspoon of almond oil. Almond oil is fantastic for brightening the skin. It helps with pigmentation, reduces dark spots, and adds a natural glow. Together, these oils make the mask extra nourishing and anti-aging. Now, mix everything really well until it forms a smooth paste. The texture should be creamy and easy to apply. And there you go! Our anti-aging, skin-tightening face mask is ready. Let's talk about how to apply it. Use your fingers or a brush and apply the mask evenly on your face and neck. Always apply in upward strokes. This simple habit helps lift the skin and prevents it from sagging. Once applied, leave it on for about 25 to 30 minutes. During this time, you'll feel the mask tightening on your skin. That's the flaxseed working its magic. It's helping to firm up your skin naturally. After 30 minutes, wash it off with cool water. And oh my goodness, the first time you try this, you'll notice how soft, refreshed, and firm your skin feels instantly. This mask is safe to use 2 to 3 times a week. With regular use, you'll see your fine lines getting softer, your skin feeling firmer, and that natural youthful glow returning. I really encourage you to try this remedy because natural ingredients can work wonders if we stay consistent. If you enjoyed this video, Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more natural skincare recipes. Also, let me know in the comments below if you want me to share more anti-aging tips like this.
Alright, my friends. Now let's move to our second amazing remedy using flax seeds. This one is a little different. We'll be making a flaxseed gel and then turning it into a face pack. Trust me, this remedy is super effective for anti-aging, skin tightening, and also to fade age spots. Take 2 tablespoons of flax seeds in a pan and add about half a cup of water to it. Now, let this cook on low flame for about 8 to 10 minutes. Keep stirring continuously so that it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. Before you try any new skincare remedy, it's always a good idea to do a patch test first. Just apply a little bit of the mask or cream on the side of your neck or on your inner arm and wait for about 15 to 20 minutes. If you don't feel any irritation or redness, then it's completely safe to use on your face. Every skin type is different, so patch testing makes sure the remedy works for you without any reactions. My friends, let me know in the comments which country you're watching my video is from. I'll be so happy and grateful to know where my lovely viewers are joining me from. As the flax seeds cook, you'll notice the water turning thick and slimy, almost like a gel. That's exactly what we need, flaxseed gel. Once it's ready, turn off the flame and let it cool down. Now, take a clean bowl and with the help of a cloth or a strainer, separate the flaxseed gel from the seeds. This way, we'll collect a smooth gel in the bowl and discard the leftover seeds. Now, in a separate bowl, take about 4 teaspoons of this flaxseed gel. Next, we need oats. Oats are excellent for exfoliating, soothing irritation, and calming sensitive skin. Put some oats in a blender and grind them into a fine powder. Add 2 tablespoons of this oat powder to the flaxseed gel. Now add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Olive oil is rich in antioxidants and vitamin E, which deeply nourishes the skin and keeps it firm. Next, we'll add the oil from 2 vitamin E capsules. Vitamin E oil is a powerful anti-aging ingredient. It reduces wrinkles, repairs skin damage, and keeps the skin soft and glowing. Now mix everything really well until it becomes a creamy paste. And there you have it, your second anti-aging and skin tightening face pack is ready. Apply this all over your face and neck and gently massage it in circular motions for a couple of minutes. After that, leave it on for about 20 to 25 minutes. Then wash it off with cool water. This pack will not only tighten your skin, but also leave it nourished, smooth and refreshed. You can use it 2 to 3 times a week. And if you make extra, you can store it in the fridge for up to 3 to 4 days.
Now I have a bonus recipe for you, a gentle flaxseed scrub. This is perfect for removing dead skin, blackheads, and whiteheads. In a bowl, add 1 teaspoon of ground flaxseed powder, 1 teaspoon of oat powder, 1 teaspoon of brown or white sugar. Sugar gently exfoliates the skin, removes dead cells, and keeps the skin smooth and clean. Now add 1 teaspoon of honey. And honey works as a natural moisturizer with antibacterial benefits, leaving your skin soft, hydrated, and glowing. Mix them all together. Before applying, wet your face with a little water. Then gently massage this scrub on your skin for 2 to 3 minutes. This will help remove dead skin cells and unclog your pores, leaving your skin soft and clean. After scrubbing, rinse with cool water. Once you scrub your face, you can apply your favorite moisturizer, or you can even follow it up with either of the flaxseed face packs we made today for that extra skin tightening and glow. So today we learned not one, but 2 amazing flaxseed remedies: an anti-aging face mask with aloe vera and oils, and a soothing flaxseed gel pack with oats and vitamin E, plus a gentle homemade scrub for blackheads and glowing skin. The best part? All of these remedies are natural, affordable, and can be made right in your kitchen. If you try them consistently, you'll definitely notice your skin becoming tighter, smoother, and more youthful. Don't forget to let me know in the comments which remedy you're going to try first. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more natural skincare recipes. Thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourself, and I'll see you again with another amazing remedy. Bye!